you ever wondered what happens when a whale washes up on the shore? Follow along as we walk you through the basic steps of a whale necropsy, as performed by a small team of responders of us here at Cascada Research Collective. The extent of the necropsy, or in other words an animal autopsy, depends on factors such as the time of day, crew availability, and whale size or decomposition, but typically one of the first things that we do is collect measurements such as total length. This helps determine age class. At this point, it's essential to record as many of these morphologic or external data as possible in order to gain more insight into individual variation and species averages. We also collect external parasites, such as cyamids or whale lice. Different areas of the body can have different kinds of whale lice. Another organism commonly found in whales are photosynthesizing algae called diatoms, collected from the skin and baleen. Diatoms are believed to produce 20 to 50% of the oxygen that we use. Collecting skin can be used for genetics to trace and connect familial lines in whales, while blubber samples are key in determining nutritional status and identifying potential contaminants. With our smaller crew in this necropsy, we're more focused on examining and sampling targeted areas, but some necropsies may involve a more thorough examination of every organ and the skeleton. Peeling back blubber and muscle, we peek into the digestive system, where we can glean vital information about the animal and its life history. Gray whales have an extensive digestive tract, including 3 stomachs and tons of intestines. It's important to look inside the stomachs and check sections of the intestines to identify what, if anything, the whale had been ingesting. Sometimes we explore areas of special interest, such as the tailstock, to learn more about whale anatomy and life history. When taking samples, it is always key to properly and safely handle, label, and store them so that they can be used for future analysis. Whale remains are a great source of food for scavengers such as eagles, gulls, turkey vultures, crows, coyotes, and crabs. So once we've wrapped up the exam, whales are usually left on the beach to provide the ecosystem with resources. By conducting these exams, we can not only learn about individual animals and their species, but how their health and lives are connected to many others, including the entire ecosystem and our own.